Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science, right? So what we learn in science, we learn about different kind of things, different kind of animals, different kind of food and many other things. We also learn about different type of weather in science, right? So all these things we learn in science. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we continue our subject science with one beautiful story, right? So our topic is looking around, right? So in lesson number 1 we learn about surroundings, that the area around us, right? So what we learn today? Today we learn about one story. The story name is Keeping Clean. So as you know, I am your teacher Mubassira Miss and my subject is science, and our today's topic is looking around and how you should keep your surrounding clean, right? So there is one meaningful story of one frog and two friends, right? So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful picture and meaningful picture, right? So here you can see the picture of one person, and you can see here the stairs. So here on different stairs, different line. From first stair, here you can see from first stair, I won't do it. Here is person is sitting. In the second stair is I can't do it. It means the person thinking that he cannot do this. Third stair, you can see slowly the person is get up and what he is saying, I want to do it. When you think that you want to do it, then the next thing in your mind is how do I do it, right? So we find the ideas for doing things. Then I'll try to do it. Then one step more and the person is trying to do it. Then next step is I can do it. So through this the last step is I will do it. And top of the stairs, yes, I did it. It means from one to last stair there is the progress of the person. From I won't do it to yes, I did it. So now it is depend on you that which step have you reached today. Never feel that you cannot do it. Always think in your mind that whatever I can do it, I will do it, and yes, I did it, right? So through this beautiful and thoughtful picture, let's start our today's lecture. So what we learn today? Today we learn story. The name of this story is Keeping Clean, right? So we already learn about clean, we learn about cleanliness, we learn about many things in lesson number 1. So before we start lesson number 1, in your book, first you can see the looking around and this story you can see in your book, right? So this story is about one frog one boy and one girl. And through this story, the frog tell you that what happen if you not careful, if you make the things dirty, and how you change yourself. This story is about one boy, the boy who was very dirty and careless. So there is one frog and the two friends of frog here, and through this one boy, and the boy is very good now, but before the boy was not good as today, right? So what we learn today, the story keeping clean. Clean means you can understand that put your things on proper place and throw waste into the dustbin and all these things, right? So what we learn today? Today we learn one story, keeping clean. Now this story is about one boy, and the boy name is Neil, but the storyteller is frog, right? So here you can see the picture of frog, right? So what frog is saying you? Hello. So say hello to this frog, right? So the frog is waving hand, right? So now this is the frog. Now let's move on to our story. Here you can see the picture of frog, right? So this is an animal, and one more thing, it is just a story, right? In real life you cannot see this type of frog around you who is talking or speaking like us, right? So what this frog is saying, frog says hi. So say hi to frog. Hi frog. The frog is saying, I am frog. We all know because you already learn about animals in nursery, UKG and LKG, and many times you can see frog in monsoon. Right now the season of rain start, right? So you can see frog on floor also, near water also, and when you going to different places you can see frog there. So frog is saying, I am frog and my name is Smiley. So what is the name of this frog? Smiley. Again I repeat that it is just a story. There is no frog who is talking like us. There is no frog who having names. So hi, I am frog. My name is Smiley. So the frog name is Smiley. So what we called it? Smiley the frog, right? So what he is saying, let's see. So the frog having friends. So many friends frog having, right? So today he introduced two of his friend to us, right? For example, we are having so many friends, but from this only 2 or 3 are our best friend, right? So the frog is saying that today I introduce you two of my friends. Meet my two friends, Neil and Pinky. So there are two friends of frog. Now what is name of frog? The name of frog is Smiley. So Neil and Pinky are the friends of Smiley the frog, right? So what frog is saying? Smiley saying, meet my two friends, Neil and Pinky, right? Here you can see the Neil, you can see the Pinky. He is Neil. Here you can see the picture of Neil. In the second picture you can see is the picture of Pinky. Both are in school uniform, right? So it means they all are study together, right? So first the boy is Neil. He is Neil and she is Pinky. They are friends, right? So here you can see that Neil is very neat and clean. Pinky is also neat and clean. But the story is about the boy. The boy name is Neil. So today the Smiley introduced us with these two friends, and the Smiley tell us about the friends of him, Neil and Pinky. So here you can see that both are neat and clean. The boy is also neat and clean, wearing uniform, ready for going school. So he is Neil and she is Pinky. So through some pictures and through some things, I show you what is the character of Neil and why the Neil is neat and clean and how he become good boy, right? Because the Neil was not dirty now, but now he is good boy and the Pinky is also good girl. Again, Smiley the frog here. So let's see what Smiley is saying. Smiley is saying that Neil was not always so neat and clean. Neat and clean means keep yourself tidy. Alright? For example, Neil is wearing uniform, ready for school. Uniform is clean. And you can see that the Neil is looking very good boy. But before, the Neil was not good boy. He was dirty boy, careless boy, and not paying attention in things. Right? So Neil was not always so neat and clean. See how dirty and careless he used to be few days ago. Right? So before few days ago, the Neil is very dirty boy, careless boy, right? And see the Pinky help him to different way. But the Neil was very dirty boy. Pinky and Smiley are friend of Neil. Right? So let's see picture here. Here is the picture of the Neil and what Neil is doing. What Neil is doing here in this picture, because of rain, there is mud on the road. Right? And the Neil is back to school. And when he is on the way to home, there is mud on the road, and because of rainy season, the mud is wet, and that's why the Neil is playing inside the mud, and because of that, the mud, her shoes. You can see here one lady also who is with umbrella, right? So these shoes and uniform become dirty because he is careless. Then in the second picture, you can see here the Neil is eating banana and throw peels on the road. So the surrounding will dirty because of it. In the third picture, here you can see that the Neil is eating food. As I told you, that when you eat chips, right, then you throw the wrapper from the window of the car, right? So Neil is throwing wrapper here. So the surrounding will dirty, right? So this is the Neil. But when a few days ago, this is the Neil. Now, after some days the Neil changes, right? So the behavior of Neil change. So now let's meet again Smiley. So here you can see Neil the dirty boy. This Neil is very dirty. Here you can see the picture of one boy who is playing in mud, right? So it is not picture of Neil, but if you are playing in mud, you are looking like that, right? So Neil the dirty boy playing in mud, and you can see how dirty this boy is. The clothes are very dirty, right? So Neil the dirty boy playing in mud. Now Neil the dirty boy again throwing garbage on road. So when you eat banana, be careful, don't throw banana peel on the road because it is very sleepy and someone fall down, right? So Neil is eating things and throw the peels on the road. And here you can see from window the person is throwing garbage, and you can see how road is very dirty, and because of that we fall ill, right? So this is the picture of one boy who is throwing garbage on the road. Again we are having Smiley. Let's see what Smiley is saying. Do you want to know how he changed? Let us hear his story, right? So Smiley is saying that before few days ago the Neil was dirty and careless. Now the Neil is good boy. So now you think in your mind that how this Neil will change, right? So let's us hear his story. So let's see the story of the Neil. Neil, Smiley and Pinky. These three are the friends. Smiley, Neil and Pinky. So they are friends and they are going school together, right? So when you are study in school and the students which are living around your house, which are with your school, right? So you all are come together, right? So like that, Smiley, Neil and Pinky are study together and going school together, right? So Smiley and Pinky are ready to go school, but the house of Neil is on the way to school, right? So first Neil and Smiley join together and going to Neil's house. Then three of them are going school together, right? So here you can see the picture of school. It means they are going to school. In morning they are having morning school. So they wake up early and ready for school, take their breakfast, take their lunch box and eating food, and then they are going. So they going to Neil's house to receive Neil, right? So because their school are on walking distance, right? So they walk and go school. So it is Neil's home. Now let's see what happened when they are going to Neil's home. Here you can see the picture of Neil and what Neil is doing here. Here is Neil, right? What he is doing? He is sleeping. Now, if you are having morning school, so you feel sleepy. But if you habituate to wake up early, then you get good sleep also and you having good concentration, right? So Here Neil is sleeping, and how dirty the room of Neil, right? Here you can see that the ball is in the cupboard when the mouse is on the floor, and books are here and there, not on proper place, and Neil is sleeping, right? So now the messy room of Neil you can see here. So as we learn in lesson number 1 about this messy room, you don't like this room, right? Now let's see what Pinky is saying. Pinky is saying, Neil, wake up. We are getting late for school. Oh, his room is so dirty. Here you can see the room of the Neil is so dirty, right? So Neil is sleeping, and because of Neil, the frog, Smiley, and Pinky also late. Why? Because they are going together, and we all know that if we are friend of someone, right? So we wait for them. So here you can see Pinky tried to wake up Neil, but Neil is not listen her, right? So after some times, and the Neil wake up, and the Neil also ready for school, but there is less time, right? Because they need to go school on time. So because of less time, when the Neil is wake up, Neil don't get time for taking breakfast. Then in hurry, the Neil is ready for school. But what happened? As I told you, that because Neil wake up late, so Neil don't get time to eat breakfast. So what he is doing on the way? He is eating banana. And what he is doing? Wait is school and eat banana and throw peel of banana on the road. Right? Then what happened? Because of peel, as I told you that peels are very sticky, and because of peel, the person who is coming behind the Neil fall down and injured. So someone injured because of the banana peel, right? So Neil is throwing banana peel, but who fall down? The person behind the Neil, right? So this is the careless Neil, right? So here you can see the picture of the story, and you can see here the Neil, here is Neil, Smiley the frog, and the Pinky, right? And what? On the way to school, when Neil ate banana and threw peel on the road, the person is fell down, right? And what Pinky is saying, that was the banana peel Neil just threw. And because of that, one person fell down and injured, right? Then the next thing, here is the person who is throwing garbage from the window. And many times we also do that, eating wrappers and throw it from the balcony, right? So here the same thing during the lunch Neil is doing, right? Because of the less time, the Neil not take lunch box, forgot lunch box, and take the packet of chips and eat chips and throw the wrapper of the chips from the window of the class. right? So here, who is there? His friend Pinky and Smiley. And you can see here, because of that, the Pinky become dirty. So during the lunch, this type of things you also doing, right? So be careful when you throw anything from the window of your house, from the window of your car, or when you are going anywhere on the road. So don't throw the things from the window. Why? Because of that many people, if they are driving, and because of that they injured, right? So during the lunch, Neil is throwing wrapper from the window. And when the school is over, they are ready to go back home. What Neil is doing here, you can see on the way back to home, the Neil is again into the mud. So here you can see the picture of Neil who is into the mud and how dirty the Neil was. And the Pinky and Smiley are staying far from the Neil. Why? Because of the mud, they are also getting dirty, right? So this is the Neil who is dirty and careless before few days ago. Now when they are going back to home, what happened with Neil? Here you can see. In class, in school, the Neil is throwing garbage from the window. And here you can see the Neil is going, but one lady is throwing garbage from the window without see that who is passing from the road. And Neil become dirty, right? In first school, the Neil throwing garbage and someone become dirty. Now this thing happened with Neil. See what happened with Neil, right? Then see the next picture, and because of this garbage, and here what you see, there is banana peel also. So Neil is become so dirty, and because of this banana peel, the Neil fell down. Right? Here you can see the banana peel. Now this banana peel, and what the Pinky is saying, this that will teach him, because these all things which Neil was doing now happen with Neil, and because of that Neil also injured, right? Here you can see the picture of one boy who is injured. So here you can see the Smiley, the frog is sitting here, and the Pinky is also sitting here, and the Neil is injured because of the peel. The Neil fall down and getting stitches and bandages on the body. Now what Neil is saying now? Oh, my hand hurts from the fall. So what Neil is saying? The hand hurt from the fall, and now I can't find my book. Please help me look for it. I have to study for tomorrow's test. Now the next day there is test, and Neil can't find his book, right? Because his room was very messy. So what Neil and Pinky says, that only if you promise to clean up your room and always keep yourself and the place around you tidy. So what Frog is saying, Smile is saying that if you promise that you keep your room clean, and at that we are helping you. So the Neil is promising them, and the next day when they are going to school, what they are see, that the room is so clean and everything are on proper place. So what Neil is saying, thanks for helping me friends, I have learned my lesson. So Neil learn his lesson and start keep himself and the place around him tidy. Right? So for this you have to follow some golden rules to keep yourself clean. So first rule is always keep yourself clean. Always keep your things on proper place so you can find out easily. Always throw garbage into the dustbin. Don't throw on the road. Someone get injured because of you. And always wash your hand after playing. Never eat with dirty hands. Right? So now the smiley says that I hope you learn from this story of Neil. So take care of yourself and bye bye. So say bye to frog. So I hope you also understand through this story that how you should keep yourself clean. Okay. So I hope you enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.